have been wearing sunscreen every day of winter, and it's finally spring, and I didn't wear any sunscreen, and I'm supposed to be out, according to this gentleman here.
Sunscreen.
Yes.
Scream.
Sunscreen. I didn't say sunscreen.
That's why I thought you said sunscreen.
No.
Sunscreen.
The sun is out.
That's how English people react.
Just red. When you press it, it goes white. Today, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go get your driver's license.
Legally have to get a Kentucky one.
And then we'll go look at a house.
Can you tell me a bit about this house?
Yes.
Okay.
It has at least 3 walls.
At least.
At least. If we save up a bit more, I may be able to buy the 4th. It has a house. It has a roof. It's a long way out of town.
Since I am purchasing a farm and forest and looking at properties in this vlog, I wanted to share with you something that will aid me in my future plans. I was looking for a high quality genuine leather bag that can help me harvest in style that was also countryside chic. Latico Leathers is a wonderful American brand that found me, and you lovely viewers know that I'm enamored with US brands. I even have a whole video on all my favorite North American brands because during the Panini Panorama, we could not export or import products, so supporting national family-owned businesses is terribly important to me. They have over 30,000 5-star reviews, have been based out of New Jersey since it was founded in 1984. Each bag is handcrafted with love by artisans in South America and India, not China, where the Uyghurs are in death and slave camps. The bags are sustainable. Pretty much everything I own is sustainable, considering I am purchasing a farm to use every bit up with zero waste. You guys know me, I hand wash my clothes. I love a sustainable lifestyle. I have not felt leather like this in a long time since working on violins, and we had to lie string instruments down on insanely soft leather surfaces versus tables to keep them in pristine condition. This bag is softer than that. Latico is also the winner of the 2020 Independent Handbag Designer Award, with finally my favorite note of all, 10 meals are donated to Feeding America for each purchase. So far, over 100,000 meals donated to food banks across the USA. Food and charity are the way to my heart. Speaking of, I have a discount code for 15% off. Use it with my Latico link below. I will also create another video on how to style this bag because I need to figure this out. I am really loving this color for spring and summer.
You don't have to eat all of these today, chocolate, but you can if you want.
In case you have zero idea about what you are looking at, check out my video on why I left LA. It will be linked below. Watch it after this. It will make a lot more sense. In short, I am purchasing a parcel of land with a farm and a barn, pasture, hopefully some arable, forest, and a house on top, and then build another house from scratch.
beach?
How's it on the
filming today, so naturally I look a little crazy. I wasn't planning on filming, was editing. If you have any tips for doing your nails, let me know in the comments below. I have done all the research. So far, what I like is the glass file. This makes your nails look like you went to the salon and it's only $3.99. That's crazy. I'm definitely going to keep one in my work bag. This I need to buy multiple of and put in stocking stuffers. I wanted to go over this thing with my nails. My nails have been polished. So happy to share this with you. I'm gonna have all of this linked below. This comes in a set. So I originally was looking for a cuticle remover. It came with all these other little wonderful tools. I'm not sure exactly what all of them are. I'm not a nail technician and I'm the worst when it comes to nails. I'm the worst when it comes to hair. These are the two things that really give you away instantly, so I have to work 3 times as hard. This is the one that pushes your cuticles back and then you can chop them off. And then this is the ultimate tool that got me, that came with the set. I did not expect to get this, and this is a glass file. So this made my nails especially shiny. Lasted longer than my gel nails. My gel nails lasted for a day. And first off is the light. You plug it in. It's a really small wire though. You have to stand kind of close to the outlet. So have this on a table, set it down, or have this by your bed for 60 seconds, 80 seconds, and 99 seconds. This is the set I got, and this brand, they only have neutral shades. So this is the rosy set. So it has really, really light burgundies, and one coat is very, very clear, and then the next 2 coats or 3 coats add a bit more pigment. However, I like to do 1 coat. I probably have really oily nails, so it doesn't suck in all the product to have it stay a bit longer. It slips off, and that's what happens to me. So I probably need to do a better job of making a base that's clean to really dry it out. Those are all the tips I have, and I saw this girl on YouTube. Her gel nails lasted for 4 weeks, simply because she capped it at the bottom. I'm gonna keep on trying again. Check this out, it's on Amazon. All of this is for less than $10. This was $13, so just as a heads up. An LED, I looked up LED versus UV. This has both LED and UV. Thank you for watching. Sign up to my newsletter. I'll see you later.